Hello everyone, it's match day. Shame it's a Friday night though. Anyway, I'm off to the London Stadium shortly. It's West Ham against Brighton. Been a while since the last home game. We've had the international break and then an away game against Burnley. So it's going to be nice to be back at home, albeit if you want to call it that. However, I'm confident we're going to get a win tonight. Brighton have had a good start, I think, but they're better at home than they are away. I think we'll take full advantage tonight. We ain't been bad at home ourselves so far either. 6 points. Performances ain't been as bad as they were last year at this stage, so yeah, I think it only points to one way tonight. I hope I'm right. So yeah, I'm going to go 2-0 West Ham, and I reckon Hernandez is going to bag tonight. I say that every game, don't I? Hernandez is going to score. But yeah, it should be a comfortable win tonight. Just a shame it's a Friday, thanks to Sky Sports putting money before supporters first. But anyway, I'm going to head off to the train station. I've got on the train to Stratford. And yeah, see you all up there. Come on, you wines.
Martin, Sutton United's always in all there. Sutton United's number one. You good?
Yeah, not bad yourself.
Looking forward to the game tonight?
Yeah, I'm feeling optimistic. Reckon we should be beating Brighton today. Should be confident. I'm really confident. To be fair, I'm expecting us to get a top 10 finish end of the season, so we've got to be beating the side like
It's only the start of the season.
It's only the start, but we say that, oh yeah, it's only 8 games, but every game matters, so... But yeah, I think we'll win 3-1. 3-1.
Who's going to score?
Lanzini, I'd like to see Hernandez. I'd like to see Antonio get another as well.
Who's going to score for them?
Knockhard, probably.
And what are the fans going to sing if they score a goal?
I'm not saying nothing.
Right then.
Which game?
No, much, mate. Much.
You look forward to tonight?
Well, not really, to be fair. I think it's going to be a 0-0.
Yeah, it's still got your ticket, yeah, have
You're a dickhead. Oh, no. But, you know, that's another problem, isn't it? I'll get in the ground. It's going to be 0-0 all day.
you? 0-0?
Yeah.
Oh, mate.
Yeah.
Two
That's
That's comfortable, no?
at the same time, they could sneak a little 1-0. You know, Duffy is on point. I hate to say it, don't get me wrong, but Duffy is on point. He's, you know, fuck off you dickhead and all. But yeah, with Lanzini and all that shit, yeah, Lanzini, Antonio, they should be putting them in.
Yeah. So you think we're going to win?
No, I think it's going to be a 0-0. Yeah. Because they're strong at the back.
Who's going to score?
Dickhead, but you put your fucking phone down, dickhead.
Anything else?
No, not really, mate.
Come on, you Irons.
Come on, you irons. Yeah, exactly that.
What's your name again?
Leah,
Score prediction.
2-0,
Where are you from?
Scotland.
Like, who's going to score tonight? Snodgrass don't play for us no more, so like he ain't scoring. Who's going to score?
2-0.
No, who's going to score for us? Name your West Ham player.
Well, I don't know one. Give me one. Get me one.
Just an answer.
I didn't fucking get a West Ham
Mate, help her
player.
out. Name us a player.
Get me a player. Fernandez.
How many goals is Hernandez going to score?
2.
Love it. Come on, you Irons.
Babes.
El Bill.
Hi,
How you doing?
I'm good, how are you? Missed you?
I know. Everyone misses you. Friday night piss take game, but at least you didn't come tonight.
I know, at least I can come, at least I can make it and grace you with my presence as
What's
well.
happening tonight?
I'm really hoping like a 2-0.
Yeah, I'm going 2-0.
I'm going to say 2-0, yeah, 2-0.
I expect 2-0 win. Who's going to score?
Fuck knows.
Fuck
At this
knows.
point.
He's a good player, that fuck knows,
Yeah,
ain't he?
fuck knows, fuck knows is going to score.
Our little Mexican pace man comes from West Ham. His name is Fuck knows.
Yeah, fuck knows.
Yeah,
I
I
would
think
say,
Hernandez is going to get the score.
yeah, Hernandez and... I don't know, is Carrot injured? Where was I? See? I go to work every fucking day. I work every day. Oh, yeah. No.
Hernandez,
yeah, double.
Race on here, I'm all over that. Let's hope it's a good performance.
I hope so.
And a
Have
win.
a good
Big right away. Come on, you Irons. Come on, you Irons. Come on, you Irons. Come on, you Irons.
Those vlogs. Oh, Dom, I ain't seen this in Burnley.
Mate, it's been the whole
The
fucking
vlogs are coming on very well.
Thank you, mate.
Whatever vlog is, whatever the list is.
Thought tonight.
2-0, Antonio, and I'm thinking little cheeky one from Lanzini.
Yeah.
That's at half time. I'm thinking 3-1 full time. Come on, you hammers. List.
How on yours? I went right in my Don't you agree? Absolute shit.
We're going down.
We are going down. Losing a fucking Brighton at home. Absolutely.
The only thing that's going down in here, Bob, our bank balance.
2-0 down at home to Brighton. I sided with fucking Glenn Murray up front. What the fuck is going on,
Fucking
Jamie?
disgusting. Unreal.
I'm absolutely fucking raging.
It's lucky they sell this because, mate, it's fucking appalling.
Game plan's gone. We're going to lose. So we get on the piss.
Exactly.
This is shit, isn't it?
Not good. Not good, mate. Not good at all.
Are we going to come back and get something from this?
Oh, we fuck. Lucky to get a goal. Lucky to get a goal.
Come on, West Ham.
Go on.
Only try, can't you?
Wow.
Yeah, that's fine.
Play little 1-2.
1-2. Joe up, John. Keep it on.
Why? Hollywood, you cunt.
You can't, Dom. You can't sum it up because there's too much fucking shit. I don't even think you can describe it. Apart from a tiny bit from Lanzini and a bit from Zabaleta. What else is there to take? If he had any dignity, Slaven Bilic, he would resign now. Now. And I mean, in that dressing room to them players, he would say, lads, I can't take you no further. I'm ruining your careers. And he would walk. We know.
Aren't they ruining his?
I totally agree, but you know and I know in football, when a manager loses that dressing room, there's only one person. No, exactly that. There's one person who goes. Leicester proved that last year with Ranieri.
And they won the league.
Yeah, under that manager. You know, we ain't done nothing under him. We had a good season at the Bowling, in the worst, our final season there, in the worst ever Premier League. Now, mate, I'm scrabbled. I don't honestly know, Dom. I don't know. I don't know. How do you get them to react after that? It's 3 promoted sides. We beat Huddersfield for 2-0. Yeah. Started for a deflected goal. We got beaten by Newcastle 3-0, and we've just been beaten at home by another side. Just come up 3-0. We are. That is going down. That's the fact of it. That is relegation, because if they can come in and score 3 goals, honestly, how many did Man City score?
8 at minimum.
There you go. They just scored 7 at home against Stoke. Stoke were hard side to break down, but they're that good. How many would they score there? It's frightening, because we ain't got
to play them at home too, mate.
But it might be no good then. Yep. Could be putting an nail in the coffin, and they ain't games you're going to get results against. Done, mate. Done. He's got to walk, and until he walks, it's going to continue.
Well, that's fucking shit, mate. But I can't defend that any longer.
You defend Vidic for that?
No. I think he's got to go, but like
wow.
Well, no, but I think he should nip it in the bun of his own, mate. Because this is bullshit. This club's run like a circus, mate.
Don't worry, though, mate. Andre scores good goals in training.
Yeah, that's it, mate. That's a club all over them. They're fucking right from the top, right to the bottom.
3 clean sheets in September. Whoopty fucking do.
How many points do we get?
Not good enough, is it? I said 12 points for our next fucking 4. We got 4. We still got 1.
You reckon we'll go forward as a football club with someone like Ancelotti in charge?
No, Paul won't get it.
Yeah, but if they did, do you reckon that's a step forward?
It's a step forward in terms of management. Mate, there's a club. You see what I fucking deal with those clubs.
Do you reckon results will improve?
Well, that's not going to happen, is it?
Who's going to come in?
If Pele was 50 years younger, mate, he'd be the best player in the world. He's 70 years old, he's not.
Who's going to come in?
I don't know.
Who do you want?
I want in. I want that bloke you thought was too shit.
What realm are you ain't going to get in either?
Are they not? What, do you think they're going to get Ancelotti, but not Tuchel?
I don't know.
Ancelotti is much higher class manager than Tuchel, mate. Between the two, mate, Tuchel's more realistic.
I can't believe we've just lost 3-0 to Brighton. It's mate, I don't know why we've come here. I just don't get it.
Fucking Friday night crap as well. Be alright if it was on Saturday, have time to go down the booze and get fucked. Last train home for that crap.
Want to get a train back to Bournemouth?
No one Yeah. On to Wednesday. You confident? You confident, Baz?
No.
Wednesday?
No.
They're going to field out a shit team.
Don't matter, we put our best out, that's shit. Let's be fucking realistic.
We don't
nah, we'll wage our game against Spurs.
Yeah, we will.
Wait, there ain't no fucking team spirit, man. I'd rather fucking, if Vidic goes, I reckon I'd rather someone like Kevin Brooklyn come in and take in charge.
Have you been saying next?
Just walked through the door. I'm so happy to be home after that absolute shower of shite. Don't be negative, they said. Stop talking absolute shit, they said, after we shithoused our way to a win in the last home game. But I said, look what happens when a better team will show up. A better team showed up tonight, and look what happened. Beaten 3-0. Brighton. Fucking Brighton. Glenn Murray up front. The Barca gets 2. Are you having a laugh? I have no words for that. It was just all shit from the start. Early goal. Shit defending as usual. It's been a major problem this season. Oh, but people still seem to blame Joe Hart. What could Joe Hart have done? All right, maybe he could have maybe he got a touch of the second goal, but let's not take away how good the goal was from Ischidero. But come on, it's like we're a team of individuals that have been plucked off fucking Pluto, put on planet Earth. They all speak different languages and they just don't know who the hell what's what. They don't know if they're arse and their elbow. Brighton deserved the win. They were magnificent. Perfect game plan coming away from home. That was the perfect away performance. They absolutely slaughtered us. We deserved fuck all from that game. We showed nothing. Arnautovic, 24 million. 24 million for Marko Arnautovic. And what's he done? Gets sent off and assists 2 goals against the Championship's worst team. You're having a laugh, aren't you? Lanzini's supposed to be back tonight. Nothing. Obiang, disappointing him. Misplaced passes everywhere. Antonio don't look fit. I didn't even realise Hernandez was playing until like 20 minutes in. Didn't even see him. Absolute shambles from top to bottom tonight. It's going to take a very, very long time to recover from this. 3-0 at home to Brighton. I mean, what the fuck are Chelsea, fucking Liverpool, next home game's Liverpool, City, United going to do to us at that place? United have already done it once, first game of the season. They're going to have a fucking field day next game. Even beating Spurs on Wednesday, if we somehow manage to pull that off, won't paper over this. You know, there's no hiding that this is a disgraceful result. And it really is worrying now. If Leicester win tomorrow, we're back in the bottom 3 and we're where we deserve to be, because this was just absolute shit tonight. Subscribe if you want. If you don't, I've run out of things to say, to be honest, after that. I'll be doing another one for Spurs. Let's hope we can get some cup cheer out of that, but after tonight's show I highly doubt it very much. Thank you for watching. I'd say come on you Irons, but they don't deserve our support tonight. See you at Spurs.